got some. I got some snacks in it.
I'm gonna call the police. I'm gonna call the police.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
How can I help you? Hello?
Do you have Uber? Hello?
How can I help you?
Oh, you had a message there, and I don't know you, so I wasn't going to leave a message. Do you have Uber?
Do I have who?
Do you have Uber?
No, I don't.
An Uber driver left me stranded.
Oh no.
She left me at a wrong address.
Oh no, I don't have Uber. I'm sorry.
Don't even think about
Try to
it.
grab those packages as early as possible or try
You're
to get
so
a trusted
annoying.
neighbor to do it.
Damn. Don't touch my package. Don't touch my package. Put it down. Put it down. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Put my package back. Are you hearing me? Put my package back. This nigga took my damn package. Oh my God.
You good? You good? Bitch, I will fuck you up. Don't fuck my shit up. I will fuck you up, you thief. Thieving ass bitch.
Pretty strange lady coming onto the porch. Pretty sure she's had one too many, probably lost.
Please leave. Wrong house. Wrong house. Leave. Wrong house.
Wrong house. Wrong house. Leave.
Oh God.
Oh God.
I'm gonna call the police. I'm gonna call the police. Leave.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
She's just wasted.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know. Fuck.
Y'all good? Are y'all good? Keep walking.
Stop it, asshole.
Check out how this guy knocks himself out.
Hey, what are you doing? You fricker.
Can I help you? Why are you in my mailbox? My mailbox? No, this is our mailbox. You need to get out of it. This is our mailbox. You need to get out of the mailbox.
Sleeping. Okay, yeah, just walk in. There go a book bag. I got some. I got some snacks in it.
Okay, leave your backpack for now. Come down here.
I ain't got no weapons. I'm just sleeping. I'll walk from here to sleeping comfortably. I run the doorbell.
It looks like we're gonna have to start chaining down the furniture.
Hey, what are you doing? Hello?
Oh, cut it slower. Oh my fucking car, bitch! Watch when I see you. Fucking dumbass bitch. Wanna tell people?
Hi, this is Alexa. May I know the purpose of your visit?
Hello. Oh, if you can get the door open. How are you? Sorry to bother you. The owner?
What? Sorry?
Okay.
Can we help you?
I'm at the wrong house. I'm sorry.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Sorry.
Not sure if this
Hello?
guy's trying to meet a lady of the night, but he's knocking door to door, flashing money.
Hello? Does nobody want this? All this money? You see that? Okay. Take somewhere else.
Get the Layla.
13579.
As always, I really appreciate you
13579.
guys watching these
Right.
videos. Don't forget to like, share,
13579.
subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts below and what cities you would like to see next.
Okay. Okay. 13579. 13579. 13579. Wait, what is it? 13579. 13579.
Isn't there a saying about taking everything but the kitchen sink?
Ready. Ready. What? Se me fue Pedrito.
Pedrito.